What's going on, guys? Trey Brooks here with Trescent's Life. Came off a $20,000 month last month here in June. I know I can be better. I got to warm up, make sure I'm on my A game from my very first call to my very last call. And just like a professional athlete, I think warm up is key, especially when you're talking on the phone. So if you guys want this document, I'll send you over a PDF for free. Just drop your email down below and I can send that over to you. So to start my warm-up, I like to start off with some affirmations to make sure my mind is in the right mindset, and then go into some objections that I get most commonly. So here we go. So every day before I start my dials, this is what you should do if you want to improve your insurance game. So starting off with affirmations, I am a top agent. I do help families. The leads are not mad at me. The leads don't know me. Someone is waiting for my call to help them. Don't take anything personal, and a quitter never wins and a winner never quits. Okay, so rolling into objections, most common objections that I get are, I don't have time right now, call me later, I'm not interested, I'm covered already. So rolling into, client says, I don't have time right now, call me later. Not a problem, I can. And the only reason I was calling right now was to set an appointment with you to talk on Zoom about IUL or mortgage protection, whatever your insurance is. So the only reason I was calling right now was to set an appointment with you to talk later about the IUL. When are you off from work? Okay, I have this slot open or I have this time slot open. Which one works better? Set your appointment and then go into your tie down. So tie down is super important. Any reason why you can't commit to showing up on Zoom at this time, anything that's gonna hold you back, planned lightning strike, anything like that. Okay, I'm gonna send this over to your email. Click yes on the invitation to log into my calendar. Otherwise, I can't hold your spot. We've been very busy lately. So that's kind of going into some tie downs there. And then make sure that they confirm the appointment, of course. Okay, objection number 2 that's most common. I'm not interested. Again, you wanna be agreeable when they first give you that objection. Here's something that I will use. Okay, well, if I would have called you at another time, would you have wanted to know more about IUL, mortgage protection, whatever insurance you're selling, right? I primarily do IUL, so if I would have called you at another time, would you want to know more about the IUL? It can help you reach your goals. And at that time, what was it that you want to know more about the IUL? Figure out what they want to do, generational wealth, infinite banking, tax-free retirement, something like that. After they give you what they want to know, you just say, again, okay, well, if you have 2 minutes, I can tell you if you want to know now, or we can schedule an appointment for whenever you're off work. So that's kind of how I will handle I'm not interested, just to see if it's a timing thing or what's really going on. And if they say at the beginning that if I called at a different time, they still wouldn't be interested, then it's probably just not your client. Again, they're not mad at me, they don't know me. Somebody else is waiting for my call. And then lastly, this is my last objection that I get commonly, is I'm covered already. Going into this, again, you wanna be agreeable. So I'm covered already. Okay, that's great that you were serious about your future and your future goals. I'm sure you want the best possible policy to reach your goal, right? Wait for the answer. So here's what I can do for you. I work with 20 different companies that offer the IUL or the mortgage protection, whatever you're doing. Why don't we compare to make sure that you have the best policy that you qualify for? Wait for a response. If they say no, thank you, be like, okay, great, I understand, you made your decision, but let me ask you, do you shop around when you buy a car or car insurance, or do you just buy the first one you look at? Boom, checkmate. So most people shop around. Anything they do, most people are going to shop around. That's why we shop on Amazon, shop online, anything. So that's going to make them think and reconsider that maybe they didn't buy the best that's for them, and kind of lean them towards doing a policy review with you, which a lot of times you can save a lot of people money, which is why we're doing this. Save people money or make sure that they're actually in the right product. Motto, a quitter never wins and a winner never quits. So no matter how hard it gets, you got this, keep dialing, keep after it, get better, be professional every single day. Watch this video every day, and this will help you increase your sales. Let's go. If you found this video to be helpful for you, give me a like. If you want this PDF, I can email it over to you for free. Just drop your email down in the comments below. I'll send it over to you. If you haven't seen some of my other videos, I do a lot of live dial sessions. You can watch those to get my phone script for that as well.